My name is Sara Hall, and I am a registered nurse. I decided to get an advanced degree because the nursing field is ever-changing. My schooling so far with ACE is really flexible with my schedule with being a mom and I'm busy, and I really appreciate that. Having the smooth experience with ACE, I feel like it's one less thing I really have to worry about. I can work with it on my time, get everything done. If the kids are in bed or whatnot, I can still be there. I don't have time constraints where I have to log in a computer at a certain time. I can do it 24/7. It's very important for a nurse to have the flexibility for the education aspect. I know a lot of other nurses that are in more of a on-campus / online, and it's very difficult. They've had to cut back their hours, not be there for their families as much. So having that flexibility of working on it during our time is very important.